The fourth-generation Toyota Corolla E70 represented an important turning point in the history of Toyota's globally recognized compact car. Produced from 1979 to 1983, the E70 arrived during a period when fuel efficiency, reliability, and affordability were becoming increasingly important to drivers around the world, including the United Kingdom. Toyota refined the Corolla formula by improving comfort, structural strength, and overall driving refinement, while still maintaining the simplicity that made earlier generations successful. This generation retained its rear-wheel drive platform, giving it a traditional driving feel that many enthusiasts still appreciate today. Compared to previous models, the E70 featured more modern styling, improved cabin ergonomics, and better road stability. Toyota also expanded the range with multiple body configurations to appeal to different types of buyers and regional markets. For British families and commuters, the Corolla became known as dependable transport, capable of handling both city traffic and long motorway journeys with ease. Its low running costs and durable engineering helped it gain trust among everyday drivers. The E70 wasn't designed to be flashy or aggressive. It was engineered to be practical, efficient, and built to last for years. The exterior styling of the fourth-generation Corolla reflected the automotive design trends of the late 1970s and early 1980s. The body featured straighter lines, sharper edges, and a more squared appearance compared to earlier rounded Corolla models. Its clean proportions gave the car a mature and balanced road presence without unnecessary styling elements. At the front, rectangular headlamps and a slim grille design created a neat and functional appearance. Chrome detailing on certain trims added a touch of sophistication, especially in higher spec variants sold in export markets. Toyota offered the E70 in several body styles, including saloon, estate, liftback, coupe, and van configurations. This broad lineup allowed the Corolla to serve different lifestyles, from practical family transport to light commercial use. The compact dimensions made parking and urban driving extremely convenient, particularly on narrow British streets. Aerodynamics were still relatively simple during this era, but Toyota focused on visibility and efficient body packaging. Overall, the E70's design prioritized durability, practicality, and timeless simplicity rather than bold styling trends. Inside the cabin, the fourth-generation Corolla delivered a straightforward and functional driving environment. Toyota designed the dashboard with simplicity in mind, placing major controls within easy reach of the driver. Large analog gauges provided clear visibility and easy readability during both daytime and night driving. The seats were designed for comfort and long-term durability, making the car suitable for everyday commuting and extended trips. Soft-touch materials were limited, but the build quality felt solid and dependable for its class. Storage compartments and practical interior layouts improved convenience for passengers and drivers alike. Higher trim levels introduced upgraded upholstery, improved ventilation systems, and enhanced interior finishing. The upright seating position and large glass areas created excellent outward visibility, helping drivers feel confident in tight traffic conditions. Rear passenger space remained respectable for a compact vehicle of its era. Rather than focusing on luxury, the interior concentrated on usability, reliability, and comfort, qualities that became central to the Corolla reputation worldwide. The fourth-generation Corolla offered a variety of petrol engines, aimed at delivering dependable everyday performance and strong fuel economy. Engine sizes generally range from 1.3-liter to 1.8-liter units depending on market and trim level. Toyota engineered these powertrains to prioritize smooth operation, mechanical durability, and low maintenance requirements. Transmission options included manual gearboxes as well as automatic variants for drivers seeking greater convenience. The rear-wheel drive layout provided balanced handling characteristics and a traditional driving experience that many motorists appreciated. Suspension tuning focused heavily on ride comfort, allowing the Corolla to absorb uneven road surfaces effectively. Despite modest power outputs by modern standards, the lightweight construction helped the vehicle feel responsive in urban environments. Fuel efficiency became one of the Corolla's strongest advantages during a time of rising fuel prices across global markets. The engineering philosophy centered around reliability rather than outright speed or aggressive performance. For countless owners, the E70 proved itself as a dependable machine capable of handling years of daily driving with minimal issues. When introduced, the fourth-generation Corolla was positioned as an affordable and economical compact car for a wide range of customers. Toyota targeted buyers who needed dependable transportation without the high ownership costs associated with larger vehicles. In the UK market, the Corolla competed strongly against European compact cars by offering excellent reliability and fuel efficiency. Its reputation for durability helped attract families, first-time divers, and daily commuters alike. Toyota provided multiple trim options, allowing customers to choose models that suited their budget and practical needs. Lower-spec versions focused on simplicity and economy, while upgraded trims introduced additional comfort and convenience features. Maintenance costs remained relatively low, which further strengthened the Corolla's appeal among cautious motorists. Over time, the E70 developed a reputation for long-lasting mechanical reliability and strong resale value. Even decades later, surviving examples continue to be admired for their straightforward engineering and dependable nature. This generation played a significant role in reinforcing Toyota's image as a manufacturer of practical and trustworthy vehicles. The fourth-generation Toyota Corolla proved that simplicity, durability, and efficiency could create a truly successful global car. Its dependable engineering and practical design helped millions of drivers trust the Corolla name for everyday transport. Today, the E70 remains an important chapter in Toyota's automotive history and a favorite among classic Corolla enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this deep dive, share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more detailed explorations of Toyota's legendary generations.